The Indian Meteorological Department has now issued a red alert warning for multiple states in North India due to heat wave conditions and soaring temperatures. It is now expected that the maximum temperature in the states across North India will hit 48 degrees Celsius in the upcoming week in view of the weather forecast that is taking place. Schools, of course, have been shut down due to this, and a red alert has been issued due to the scorching heat. A lot of people are now advised to carry water bottles with them, ORS sachets as well, considering that heat stroke might be affecting these people. Meanwhile, my colleagues Arzu and Akshat have spoken to people in and around the national capital, of course, giving an update as to the situation and gauging how they feel and what is the status as far as the heat wave is concerned.
Sweltering heat sweeps across the northwestern part of India, including Delhi, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and of course, some parts of Jammu and even Himachal Pradesh. Well, the people are bearing the brunt of the intense heat and the soaring temperatures day by day, because maximum temperatures can hit up to 48 degrees Celsius. That's what the IMD has said. Well, the weather department has also issued a red alert for many areas, including the national capital, because intense heat wave is being witnessed in many parts of the national capital. And they have also said, meanwhile, the weather department, of course, that for the next 4 to 5 days, there seems to be no respite from the sweltering heat which is sweeping across the northwestern part of India. Meanwhile, if I just also tell you that in the southern part of India, including Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kerala, light to moderate rainfall is being expected in the next 2 to 3 days. And also, very importantly, when we talk about heat wave conditions, then the power demand also surges to an all-time high, and this time it has broke all its past records, perhaps surpassing the 8,000 megawatt demand. So of course, that also tells us that due to the intense heat, the power demand is also surging on a daily basis. And if I just also tell you that it has broken its previous record of Tuesday of 7,700 megawatt. And meanwhile, amidst all this, the Delhi government has also said that they have smoothly and seamlessly managed the power demand without any power cuts. And also, very importantly, you can see that we are at the India Gate, and of course, there seems to be less people around here at this point of hour. I'll just quickly try to talk to some people out here. मैम, आप बताइए, गर्मी जो है बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ रही है, किस तरह से मैनेज कर रहे हैं?
गर्मी तो है ही भैया, पर मैनेज करना ही पड़ रहा है, क्या कर रहे हैं?
क्या आप पानी ज़्यादा पी रहे हैं? छोटे बच्चे भी हैं, किस तरह से जो है सारी व्यवस्था बना रहे हैं?
पानी वगैरह ले रहे हैं टाइम टाइम पे, क्या कर, नारियल पानी पी रहे हैं, जहाँ स्टॉपेज भी रहा है रुक के चल रहा है।
सर, आप बताइए, आप किस तरह से मैनेज कर रहे हैं?
बस यूँ ही पानी वगैरह सब कुछ सही ले रहे हैं, और जो भी फल फ्रूट्स हैं, जैसे आम वगैरह का जूस वगैरह सब कुछ, बेल वगैरह ये सब जूस वगैरह सब ले रहे हैं, संतरे का जूस वगैरह सब ले रहे हैं। गर्मी तो काफ़ी पड़ रही है, 47 के आसपास डिग्री टेम्परेचर चल रही है अभी। हाँ जी,
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। So of course, you heard the common people also, and they're saying that of course they are bearing the brunt because the northwestern part is currently reeling under the intense heat wave. And of course, it's advisable also not only by the weather department but also by the health experts that you should keep yourself hydrated. You should not wear heavy clothes, wear light clothes, and especially when we talk about it, then hospitals have also prepared themselves. They have also braced themselves for the intense heat waves. Of course, you should be hydrated, wear light clothes, and don't go out between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. because that's the time when temperature soars up to the highest level. In New Delhi with camera person Pawan, Akshat Gupta for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.